Hello DIY friends! Today we're building a simple smartphone dock made from an old log and a worn out leather wallet. First, I square off one side of the log, just enough to attach a paper template and get a rough idea of the size. Then I glue on a strip of MDF to create a flat reference edge so I can make the first two cuts on the bandsaw. After that I can use the saw's fence to finish the third cut. I'm not cutting the triangle shape yet. For now I keep it a beam so I can mill the phone recess more easily. With some MDF I cut a simple router template. Good thing I made a test piece, because the corners weren't quite right. The router bit that I used was too small to match the phone's curves. To fix that, I added little corner insets to the template and used a Forstner bit to pre-drill the radii. First I drill the corners with the Forstner bit. In one of them I go a little bit wider to create a pocket where the router can start. Then I attach the templates and mill like a proper woodworking nerd. After routing, I clean up the edges with a chisel and a Dremel. It doesn't have to be perfect, just smooth enough. After reinstalling the paper templates, I tilt the bandsaw table to 30 degrees and make two cuts to form the triangle. This is also a good time to square off the other side of the block using the miter saw. To prepare the sharp edges for a nice looking radius, I cut away any excess material before starting the next step. With the 180 grit paper, I just kept sanding the wood until it looks fly as fuck. To round the sharp edges, I went back and forth with the sander and used a bit of elbow grease to finish it. I use a dull chisel to cut a slot for the ribbon in the bottom, plus a tiny notch at the top so it sits flush. From the old leather wallet, I cut a clean strip to size and sand the outside to make it look fresh again. I installed this using a bit of epoxy glue only on the bottom part. As a final touch-up, I fill the leftover holes with wood filler, give it a final cleanup, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and I will catch you in the next one.